I'm 100% nigga. Nigga. I'm 200% nigga.
Joke lang. Hi Armo, congratulations sa second tournament mo sa chess. I hope na nag-enjoy ka. Marami kang naging friends, marami kang natutunan sa iyong tournament na nasalihan. And kung meron kang naging friends, I hope na hindi lang knowledge sa paglalaro ng chess yung inyong mapag-sharean, even yung gospel na siyang nagbibigay ng salvation sa atin, at ganun din na nagbibigay ng buhay at patuloy na nagsusustain sa atin. Yan ay providence ng Lord sa iyo na magkaroon ka ng karunungan sa chess at maging able ka na makasali sa tournament, at may you glorify God sa iyong napiling kahiligan. God bless, Holiday Gloria, congratulations ulit.
Hi, Monmon! Balita ko, nanalo ka na naman daw sa chess tournament, ah. Congrats! I'm so proud of you. Parang kailan lang, ang hilig nyo lang, Roblox. Tapos ngayon, nag-chess tournament ka na. Like, what? Pero ayun nga. Congrats, I'm very happy for you. And I'm always rooting for you. So, ayun lang, congrats! Bye!
Hi Armo, just want to say that congrats on your second tournament. I don't really have much to say, but we are all so proud of you, Armo, and don't ever give up. Yes, congrats!
Congrats, Arms! You're the best chess player in the family. Congrats.
Hi Armo, congrats sa 2 wins. Keep it up. And more wins to come. Road to GM na. Bye!